Bots are getting smarter every day. If you're building a research portal, registration system, or academic web tool, you can't afford to let automated scripts flood your platform. Today, I'll show you how to build a puzzle-based CAPTCHA system using Go on the backend and JavaScript on the frontend. It's secure, simple, and effective, perfect for keeping real researchers in and bots out. Here's what we're building. A drag-and-drop puzzle CAPTCHA. The user must slide the missing puzzle piece into place. Once it's verified, the email input and the submit button are unlocked. Behind the scenes, the Go server generates the puzzle, secures it with a token, and validates the user's move. Let's break it down. First, the backend. In Go, we generate two images. A base image with a missing piece, and the puzzle piece itself. Each CAPTCHA is linked to a secure token, generated using HMAC with SHA-256. This ensures the challenge can't be forged. We also add rate limiting, so a single IP can't spam the system with requests. And we block disposable email domains to make sure only legitimate addresses can register. The Go server exposes simple API routes, /API/CAPTCHA/generate for creating a new puzzle, and /API/CAPTCHA/verify for checking the result. This makes integration with any frontend straightforward. Now the frontend. In the HTML file, we set up a clean form. Notice that the email field and the submit button are disabled at first. The user must complete the CAPTCHA before these become active. The CSS adds styling for the puzzle piece. When it's dragged, the cursor changes, and shadows emphasize movement. Success and error messages are highlighted with clear colors, so the user always knows what's happening. In the JavaScript file, we fetch a new CAPTCHA challenge from the backend. The base image and puzzle piece are loaded directly into the page. Next, we handle the drag-and-drop interaction. As the user moves the puzzle piece, its position is tracked. Once they release it, the system calls the /API/CAPTCHA/verify endpoint with the puzzle's coordinates and token. If verification succeeds, the email input and submit button are enabled. If it fails, the user gets feedback and must try again. Let's see it in action. Demo section. Beyond just sliding puzzles, this system includes important safeguards. Tokens expire after a few minutes to prevent replay attacks. Rate limiting ensures bots can't brute force positions. And the email validator helps stop throwaway addresses. Remember, for real systems, always store hashed passwords, never plain text. Security is about layers, and CAPTCHA is limiting one layer in the defense stack. Brute force positions. And the email validator helps built a complete puzzle CAPTCHA system with Go and JavaScript. For real systems, the backend handles always security hash and verification, never plain text. While the frontend delivers security a smooth is about layers, and CAPTCHA is just one layer ideal for research portals.